Good evening po. Konting kwento lang po about the movie. Paano po siya nabuo? Paano po kayo nagka-connect direct na gawin yung pelikula?
Well, the movie is a collective effort, no? Intended to be a documentary film, documentary only, vision, documentary. But it turned out to be a documentary, the movie already. Na papayag niya ako at sa tingin ko naman he is so sincere to come up with a good story, the embodiment of what we were and what we are as law enforcers now. So sa tingin namin, especially sa akin, sa tingin ko, she is passionate na si Ate Edith na ilabas yung kwento of law enforcement. The story is not about me, no? Not about me alone. It's about us and the law enforcement. Their battles, their sacrifices during, before, during, and after the law enforcement operation. Kasi I have to say it na it's a pure law enforcement operation, but it turned out to be political in the end. So, hindi nagiging tama yung kwento. At may add ko na lang din po na ang movie na ito ay, the process of the movie is, should be given, it will be given to the WCD, no? The Women and Children's Desk. We have a MOA for that, to the sexually molested children, and to the PWD. That is the intention process of the movie. Bibigyan natin sa charity institutions po.
So yun yung charity na
Yes.
parang after the movie show, so yun yung papunta yung
Papunta po sa kanila.
doon
The movie is inspired by the sexually molested children. Doon sa Davao, more particularly kasi doon kami nag-start.
Okay. Tapos kanina may kinuwento si Direk bago raw siya pumasok sa usapan. Parang may artista yata na dapat magpo-portray doon sa role nyo.
Yes, that was the agreement. May konting agreement na kami, but never been into writing kina Don Remo and Mr. Escortes na they were considering sina Paolo Abilino, sina Ian Veneracion, and one more pa, pero it never came through. It never came into reality kasi daming mga obstructions, like they send me to Tebes, they send me to Kibuloy, so nawawala yung momentum. So doon sa sa Davao, na-capture ako ni Ate Edith, so we try to write it down. Wala namang ganitong plano eh. It's a purely documentary, but it turned out to be this way. So I think it's divine providence na rin na nangyari ito. It's divine intervention also.
So sir, pa-invite na lang po yung mga mga manonood.
Mga kababayan ko po, this movie, Sa Likod ng Tiapa, is not about me alone. It's about the sacrifices of the law enforcers or the security forces, like office, I'm a member of that. And sa darating po na Agosto 8, 2025, that will be the premiere night sa SM Mega Mall at 5 p.m. And on August 13, on theaters near you. Please come and watch the movie so you can see for yourselves how we fared well in the movie. At kayo na po ang magsabi kung we fared well or not. Maraming salamat po.